Welcome to Learn You and Me. By default in Excel ribbon, tab, formula bar, column row headings, workbook tabs and status bar and scroll bars are visible. These elements occupies some amount of space and decreases working area and view area. Sometimes one may want to view more data in one Excel screen or maximize workbook area, or to give VBA application a feeling of software, not a Excel file. Then these bars need to be made hidden. In Excel there is no direct option which can give you full view of a worksheet, but you can do it with help of some VBA code by following small and easy steps. To do this, press Alt plus F11 to open VBA IDE. Right mouse click and insert new standard module. I have already written VBA code in Notepad. Copying this code from Notepad and pasting in standard module. In video description I have provided this code. Now when I run this code, you can see worksheet view got expanded. I will give shortcut key to this VBA or macro. Press Alt plus F8, select full view, normal view, click on options. Now here write any letter. If caps lock is on, then Ctrl plus Shift plus letter combination shortcut key is generated. Else Ctrl plus letter combination shortcut key is generated. Here writing F. Since my caps lock is on, hence Ctrl plus Shift combination shortcut key is made. Click OK. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus F. As you can see, full view of a worksheet. Again pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus F. Normal view of a worksheet achieved. Now this shortcut key will work in all the opened workbooks as long as workbook containing the code is open. Making new workbook and pressing Ctrl Shift plus F. As you can see, full view. Now closing this workbook containing the code. Now if I press shortcut key for full view, then full view is not achieved. Instead, this will give format cells pane. Now we will see how to make full view shortcut key available in all open workbooks. Even when file containing the code for full view is not open. Opening file containing full view code. Now I will save as this file as an add-in. Press F12 for save as. Select Excel add-in from drop down and click on save. Now this file got saved in add-in folder. After this we need to activate this add-in. To activate add-in, go to developer tab. If developer tab not present, then right click any tab, click on customize the ribbon. Here tick on developer and click on OK. Now in developer tab, click on Excel add-ins. Tick on maximize Excel view area, then click OK. Now closing all opened workbooks and opening new one and opening new one. Pressing Ctrl Shift plus F shortcut key. As you can see, full view of worksheet is achieved. So you have learned how to make add-in or full view of a worksheet. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then please subscribe, like, comment and share.